So here's a good example of a suspect aircraft. Whoa, he just took a major turn. That's weird. Then you've got our all-nighter, the top left of the screen. Those guys are out all night. There's like 5 going strong all the time. And they're just little guys. I don't even know their shape. They look like they're possibly dark gray. Stuff like that. And the same reel. See, these planes here, a regular plane would be so much louder in the day. And these guys are significantly quiet. I mean, wow. Why aren't they that quiet during the day? Love for them to be super quiet during the day. But whatever. Maybe in our future, they'll petition for a noise ordinance in the sky. And I'll get my wish.